Talofa lava, kia ora, good morning everybody. It is a great privilege and a tremendous honour to be with you all here today. Can I say to you, Mr Prime Minister, thank you to you and to all of your government and to all of the people of Samoa for the very warm welcome that you have extended to me and my delegation. Can I say to the great people of Apia Village, thank you for this great honour. We are now connected forever. And I just want to say the honour itself represents I think the honour itself represents the very special bond between our two great countries of Samoa and New Zealand. As has been alluded to in the speeches today, it is not just a relationship, we are family. And we are very, very proud of this relationship and this family. Can I tell you, we are also incredibly proud of our Samoan Kiwis who have come to New Zealand, have worked incredibly hard, achieved and contributed so much to our great country, and have enriched it and made it much, much better. And I know for all of us and for the Prime Minister and myself and our governments, we are determined to continue to build on the great relationship we have today, to make it even better, to take it to even greater heights. So again, can I say thank you very much for this great honour. It's a tremendous privilege and very much appreciated. Manuia.
Tai Laaulialemalietoa. Me tele tai ao, ai le lau tai ao. Tele aso e le lau aso. Ai tautala aso le so. Ia le tua e lo na lofa ma lo na ngale lei. O whātau nuu lau o le whamoe le so. E oina tātou whetahai, pia ngai malui tau o le soifuanga. Ia e tā pena e le tua le whātau nuina o le tai au malasu. Mori le nganga whaftai tele le tātou whianga ia pia. Pa ia lava le ia lo sina, ma le vaina le lepa, ma le whai whalo sa le balasi. Ma malu whāle tolu. No foi tua inga ia tui sa mau. Ma le tātou nuu. Paftai lo tau langosi wa Samoa le so. Elena so na toia tumpa. Elena so na toia tumpa pala fa penei. Ayala na mafu o le moni o la tau tua mo Samoa. Leo fatino le so wal fa fotupu mo fa fotu le bali. Le Afioga le Palemia o le Mālō Niu Sila. Tionga ya Tuisinavemaulumoto'otua. Honorable Prime Minister, Tuisinavemaulumoto'otua, you have said it all. We are no longer friends. We are family. And families are forever. Politics can end tomorrow. But families goes out beyond the grave. And that's how Samoa consider New Zealand and Samoa relationship. Our home as well. So on behalf of every Samoa in Samoa and in the world, including New Zealand, we bless you and we remember you and your government in prayers. Thank you for coming once again. Soifu manuia fa manuia le tua. Ia manuia le tātou tai amalas.